This is a wonderful opportunity for me and also a privilege to congratulate all elected MPs for successful taking and being elected to 8 district council election of DJs. I also thank all of them for rendering their cooperation. I also thank our administrator and officials of the KDC and also staff for extending their help for organizing this oath-taking ceremony today on 19th at the district council.